building various equipment for your nourishment as well as the goods. I would like to talk to you tonight about YouTube videos. I'm a big fan of YouTube, and the videos on there are usually pretty good and pretty funny, even some of the more crummy ones. But it has caused me to have this growth from the side of my head, an extra arm, and this extra arm insists that I smoke cigarettes. It waves erratically at people I don't even know and says, and I say, "You're not listening to enough classical music, Phantom Hand," in which it would reply, and you can understand how unnerving that would become. So, I am here to warn you that watching too much YouTube will make you have strange reactions, such as growing in a spare arm out of your head. So feel it out. And viewer discretion is strongly advised.